Hi guys, so I'm Jason van Rooyen and I do some fun side projects with carbon fiber, all sorts of composites. In this project I did a Ford Focus RS's engine cover plate, which goes on the bottom. However, I needed to preserve the part, so I had to vacuum bag it so that the client can take it back. To fix the part up, I put a foam board centerpiece across, and then I made my own mock-up from using tool clay. After the tool clay, I did my rough layup with carbon, and I'm supposed to use fuel ply, but to save some time on sanding, because I had a very little window to do this part, I then vacuum bagged it and let the resin do its work overnight. Okay, so the resin set during the night, pulled into all the carbon weave. Then I came home the next day, decided to demold the part, and luckily my theory of sealing the original part that is broken with vacuum bag worked. I could take out the whole part and save the original part. So as you guys can see, there was a lot of resin residue left on the top layer of carbon because of the vacuum bag and me not using peel ply. However, that's an easy fix. Just quickly trimmed everything, took the grinder and sanded down all the sand rails, I like to call them. However, at this stage, unfortunately, I saw that it wasn't just resin residue that made these dunes, it was the physical carbon part as well. So turns out that me trying to save the parts made even more problems, because the vacuum bag made all sorts of weird shapes underneath the carbon, and then when you try and vacuum bag on vacuum bag, it doesn't turn out very great, because then you have a vacuum that is too tight. So wasn't too happy with this. So at this point I decided screw it. So I took my flappy disk, grinded out every single heel, sandrail, little crest, put on some body filler, sanded it down, and as you can see, we have a lovely flat layer. So I roughened up the surface, did a laminate layer of carbon, and we had a very good result of a very good part. The client was super happy with the part, and first job done, guys.